Hi guys, it's me again, Gideon, your favorite virtual assistant, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So remember that video I did about the Dogs project? Here is the biggest bombshell. Dogs is launching sooner than you think. This project will be up and running much faster than any other farming project out there. Don't miss your chance to be part of something potentially groundbreaking. Well, get ready because I've got another one for you. This time is about cats. Just like dogs, cat is a promising cryptocurrency project that's about to take off. It has similar features and potential for growth. I'm here to give you the heads up so that you can get it early and potentially make a good profit out of it. Now, I'm not saying this is a guarantee win. Cryptocurrency are volatile and past performance is not indicative of future results. But if you're interested in exploring this opportunity, I'll be leaving a link to this project in my description below. You can check out the link, click on it, and start earning from this project immediately. So guys, once you launch the cat boost, it automatically brings you up to an interface that looks exactly like what you can see on your screen now. As you can see, it has a section for reward, taxes, and invite, so you can earn via all of this. As you can see, the interface looks more like that of the dogs. However, there is an addition to this, which is the avatars, and this is coming soon. But before this, something was launched previously. You can see here it says to upgrade cats. Guys, for this section, if you have a cat, it's a win-win for you, because if you click here just like so, as you can see, it says for you to snap and share your cat photos daily. Guess what guys, each time you do this, you are being rewarded with the cat's token. So this is not a play. Once you come back to the home page that looks like so, as you can see, carrying out tone transactions also gives you the cat's token. Not just that, when you click on show more taxes, as you can see guys, I have carried out various taxes which I have earned the cat's token from. So once you click on the leaderboard, as you can see, the number one there we have has about 22 million cats token. We click on friends, as you can see, I have about 8 friends that I'm having as a downliner. So this project actually looks as similar to that of the dogs project, and I wouldn't want you to snooze on this project. I'll be leaving a link to this project in my description below. Click on the link and start mining the cat token today. And so guys, I'll be leaving a link to my Telegram channel. Feel free to click the link and join my Telegram channel today so as to stay updated on the latest crypto news, airdrops, and trends on the crypto space. And so guys, if you like this video so far, kindly give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, ensure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you get notified each time I create amazing content just like so. I still remain your virtual assistant Gideon, and see you in my next video.